The IKEA Boastad line was the elegant solution we were looking for to complete our living room. This TV bench measures 181.4 centimeters in width and 42.1 centimeters in depth. It also features 3 compartments of equal size. What's great about this design is that you can choose where to place the tempered glass doors during assembly. We decided to position it on the left, but you could just as easily place it in the middle or on the right. The instructions suggest installing this net under the compartment with the glass doors. However, to this date, we still have no idea what this is for. This TV bench was a perfect match for our 55 inches TV. Both the top and bottom panels are made from fiberboard with honeycomb paper filling. There's been no sagging or scratches after 3 months of use, but it does tend to show a little bit of dust. The glass doors are made of tempered glass, while the 2 bifolded doors are made of oak veneer particle board. Installing the doors can be quite tricky. As you can see, the alignment is not perfect despite several attempts to fix this. We chose the Boastad TV bench because we like the idea of storing our PlayStation behind the glass doors. However, these hinges, they cause the door to close with some force, making these adhesive pads necessary to absorb the impact. This compartment also includes a glass partition, and each compartment offers 2 height options for placement, as you can see here. All compartments have closed back panels, but they all feature pretty sizable cable holes at 2 different levels. Even so, we still need to leave the doors open when using our PlayStation to prevent overheating. The partitions for the bifolded door compartments are oak veneer. As you can see, we chose not to install the partition in the middle compartment to give us more flexibility in terms of storage height. Another modification we made was switching the handles. The black handle were originally intended for the glass doors, but we thought they created a more striking contrast against the oak veneer, so we decided to swap them. This bench is surprisingly easy to move. It has a center stand which allows you to pull or adjust the sides without moving the entire unit. There is also an adjustable knob on the back to prevent it from hitting the wall. Overall, we are very happy with this purchase. We love the modern and stylish look of the Boastad line, so much so that we also purchased the Boastad sideboard to complement the TV bench. If you'd like to know more about the assembly process, check out the link to our detailed video in the description below.